Morning all. There's the cat looking out for meat, and I'm looking out for my coffee. Wonderfully tepid. So yesterday at the makeup shop, a couple of lip glosses. So I don't think, never not done a video on lip gloss. So one's a bit of a bronzy colour and the other one's definitely a red colour. The other way around. So we're going to give those a go today. So I've done my foundation as normal. I won't be going for a dark lip line, but I will be going for a sort of that bricky red lip line and then blend it in with the lip gloss. So we'll get that going. Let's just making sure yeah, I think I'm ready. Yeah. So bit spit. Get that aqua colour in a bit of a paste. There we go. So that's the lip line done. Now to grab these lip glosses and see how that turns out. Because the lip lines come out a bit dark. Yeah, I'll go with the darker red, definitely. Let's give that a go. Get in there. It's taking a little bit more effort than I thought doing the blending in the lip line. All done, darlings. Beautiful red lip line, filled in with that lip gloss. Got my nails done yesterday, gorgeous red. Still caked in makeup, so I'll go and clean those hands in a moment, but looking good. Very glossy. Have absolutely no idea what I'm going to wear, and I'll get dressed up in a little moment and do some pictures. So see you all soon.